Good afternoon, traders. It's Erica at Alpha E-Trades. It is Thursday, August 26th, about 3:02 p.m., about 1 hour left of the cash market open. Quick video on price action. So today, a little bit more volatility. Currently, we're negative 24 on ES, negative 81, and RTY negative 26. So we had a nice rundown this afternoon, but then we were consolidating past 20 minutes. A little bit of a catch-22 because we trade both buyers and sellers here. And so we had a couple failed patterns trying to trade that the buyer reversal, and they didn't follow through. So, however, though, we had a spectacular trading day. We caught. Let's go ahead and take a look at our higher time frame. So ES here this morning, and we're currently in more trades, taking a run here to the downside here. So overall 4-hour chart here, traders. So this morning we took this run all the way down to target 2, and then we closed outside the previous range, and so now we're going to target 44.57 if we can get down to that particular level. And so that's the 4-hour. What we have currently, we're at target 2, but we did meet that, so we're revisiting our targets from this morning. Okay. The trade setup that we're trading on ES today or right now, I believe, is from the 60-minute 44.57. I have mine at 44.58 here, traders. Okay. And so we are moving in a groove, and it's from a 60-minute pattern here. But the problem with the 60-minute pattern is that sometimes we're so range, and so when we're sideways, even when we're expecting certain patterns and stuff, you have to wait for market, and this is where you can get tore up and when you're sideways here. So, but we're following through, so that looks good here on the 60-minute. So we're targeting 44.57 on ES. We'll see if we can get that here. This was the low, so we've got S3, so we've got to close below that here on S3. NQ, let's take a look here. So NQ, we did well this morning as well. Okay, 4-hour spike down on NQ. Let's take a look at, okay, so we hit our target 1. Okay, this morning on NQ, but then take a look at the spike here. I mean, pretty choppy here. So this is a 4-hour chart too. So we spiked down, and then we shrunk its little body back up, and now we're coming back down here, and so we've got target 1, target 2, and 60-minute chart. I'm like, where's my target on NQ here? I have to look here. I've got so many charts open here. 15,197 here. Okay, 15,197, and that is from a potential. NQ has been kind of wacky today here. That was a 30-minute trade here, but because of the massive range, literally this massive range, and this is again where you can get in trouble here because it is so range bound, meaning sideways. I got in early, so to speak, and so on a 5-minute using a momentum. Okay, so we are moving in the groove in here on our afternoon trades here. So we did have one pattern that didn't complete here because, well, I shouldn't say it just didn't complete. It confirmed. Okay, so and then but it didn't go true to target here. So I guess depending upon, we got stuck here. Okay. So some traders were stopped out, some were not. Just depends on where you currently entered in. But you will get stopped out in trading. It's part of what we do, but compared to what we've made this morning and what we're making now, no big deal. That's what happens. It's about the overall month on your profit here. So I just wanted to do a quick video on price action, on what we're doing here and where we're planning to go. RTY, let's take a look at RTY here. I call this our little slow mover, but I tell you what, it's been a rock star here. So this morning here in RTY, we hit target 1, and I posted this. Now we're hitting target 2 here, traders. I have my target here at 21.99 because of we have different time frames here, traders. So I'm using this 15-minute time frame at target 1 here. So let's see if we can get there. And if we don't, I simply just go ahead and lock in my profits. And so that's the beauty of using NinjaBroker, because I can move these around very quick here. So pretty much a good trading overall. What we had here, so this is just a minor correction coming down here. As for tomorrow here, we'll have to look at our 4-hour charts here, traders. So again here, traders, we're targeting 44.57 just on ES here, just a minor correction down. And we will see how we open tomorrow here. So if you are unfamiliar with our service, Alpha E Trades, it is $89.99 a month. And we send out blueprints like this that will tell you the trigger and the target on where, and the invalidation level on where price action is going. And so as you can see here, we're ending the day here with about 1 hour in the cash market. And I should probably lock in. Usually I go in at least one tick because I'm always multitasking and so forth. And we'll see if we can get to our targets. As for tomorrow, don't know if we'll be buying and or selling. Overall, we are uber bullish. This is just a simple correction down. However, though, because we've been meeting our all-time highs, we could see a three-legged pattern on ES here. Another 50 points or so to the downside here. So if you are having trouble, traders, on where price action is going and or some entry points or direction of the trade, check us out. We do send out blueprints via private tweet. And hopefully your trading day has been going amazing, because ours is going pretty good here. And yep, we were stopped out a couple times today, at least I was. And that happens. That's part of what you do when you're trading. We'll be back tomorrow, traders, and have an amazing evening.